Hey guys, after a long time I didn't touch the 204. I want to show you something I want to address. I took the breather hose down. Let me show you why. Let's start her up. Take the choke a little bit. Okay. Okay, so I think you can see clearly there is too much oil vapors coming out of the breather, and I want to check the compression. I think the Chinese carburetor I put, even though it's new, it's not the original and I can't trust them. I think it's bad, so I'm going to bring back the old carburetor, the original one, after I replace the gasket and clean it. But for now, until the gasket will arrive, because I just ordered it yesterday, I want to check the compression. So I'm going to take I'm going to take each spark plug out of its place, put a tester and check the compression. I'm starting with just removing the filter housing, so I will have much more good access. I already disconnected the fuel pump, so there will be no fuel here. We'll start with the first cylinder. I just need to take out the spark plug, connect the adapter, check what is the pressure, and press the pedal all the way in, the gas pedal, and check for the pressure. Look how rich the mixture is. This is the new spark plug and it's already black from carbon deposit. This is the adapter. first cylinder. We'll try. $150, I think that's the correct value, and I will write it in my phone. Let's continue to the next one. $135. Let's give it another try to be sure. Still 135. Let's write it down. And for the next one. Ooh, 100. Okay. I want to connect a charger so the battery won't drain out. Okay, so the compression rise a little bit because the battery was not too strong. Okay, so final result 120. Let's write it down. And for the last one. Okay, cylinder number 4 is okay, 150. Let's write it down. So we got 150, 135, 120, and 150. So we got 100%, 90%, 80%, and 100%. It's a big difference, especially in cylinder number 3. And I need to figure out why is that. Let's put everything back together, and I guess now after I clean the spark plugs, the engine will fire up very easily. Okay, so now the next thing I need to do is to figure out where I got compression leak. It can be from the valves, it can be from the compression rings, and it can be from the head gasket. I hope it's not from the from none of that. I don't know. I have an assumption that maybe the carbon deposit stuck the compression rings open because it clogged them, so they're not very they became stiff and can't move and do a proper seal. So I need to take a compressor and do a leak test and see where it comes from, but it won't be today because I don't have compressor here and I need to get it done. Oh, another thing I want to check is that I don't have vacuum from this hose that connected to the manifold, and I need to try to take it out, but it's stuck. Okay, so I got a clogged bypass in the intake manifold. Won't do anything. will try to open the clog somehow. I'm making an attempt to to unclog it. I put a hose here and inside the vacuum output, and let's bring it up to 150 psi. I will hold it for anyhow. Let's put everything back together and call it a day.